Now that's a shiny Corvette. This is my 87 Corvette show car, and I've been blessed for having her for the past 17 years. You're wondering, how do I get my paint like this, where you can't tell if you're looking at a black car or you're looking at a mirror? And that is a reflection of my backyard through my garage door. It's actually got a little dust on it. Very simple. And everybody has their go-to stuff, their products that they've used. And my advice to them is, hey, if you've been using certain products for years and you like those products and they give you results that you think are acceptable and really good, then you stick with them. Then you have products like I use, and others as well, that give fabulous results, like car show winning, super deep, infinity shine. And I'm telling you, a lot of it has to do with the quality of your paint job. This is 35 years old, although it was repainted in '92, but still it was a fantastic deep black undercoating and a very dark black rich paint and a great clear coat. But I use now this is paint cleaning clay. Now for those of you who are like a little reluctant, who've never used it before, it's really simple. You just need to get yourself a spray medium. I use I love Mother's products too. And basically, this is an instant detailer with your paint cleaning clay, this is very, very, very sticky, refined clay. It's just very sticky. And the idea behind it is, anything that's on your paint that's not supposed to be there, this will pick up. And how it works is, you spray a lubricant, a detailer, or what have you, and you basically, and I'm just doing this a small section, but I did this whole hood yesterday. You basically go back and forth with your paint cleaning clay. You don't have to press really hard, moderate amount of pressure, back and forth, and this will grab anything in the paint that does not belong. Bug jerky, fallout, any kind of bug, bird crap, any kind of foreign material that does not belong on your paint. The paint cleaning clay will pick it up. And once you're done, you just wipe it off. And you need to re-wax. Put a coat of wax and polish on top of your wax. Difference between wax, you can put polish first. I'm sorry, or wax. You can get a cleaner wax if you really don't have a lot of time or you want to go through that. I use Mother's Brazilian Carnauba cleaner wax. I like the paste. Liquid paste, it's whatever you like. I get great results out of this in my black paint. So after you use your clay, you do a section at a time, wipe it down. You can do your whole car sections or what have you, but it's important that once you do clay, you're gonna need to put a coat of wax on it. So just a good quality wax, whatever you like to use. But this is the results. I have just spectacular, great finish. And I mean, not that this car doesn't have its patina. It has its little marks here and there. It's 35 years old. But overall, it has fantastic paint, as you can see. So I highly recommend the paint cleaning clay. Melder's makes it, Griot's makes it. There's different, most manufacturers are getting into the paint cleaning clay scene. I do use a lot of Griot's products. Griot's is really like the Rolls Royce of cleaning products. They really do have high quality stuff, and you know, so I do have a lot of their products. But again, I really like using this Mother's Brazilian, the California Gold paste wax. I've had great results on this car. I've used a lot of different types of wax, and that happens to give me the best. It's very easy to take off, and I get great results out of it. So, and as well for my Jetsons bike. So, all right. Hope this helps out you guys who are maybe new to show cars, or maybe you're on the fence about using clay and a little weary about it. It's really easier than it looks. So, all right. Good luck. Hope this helps out, and have a great fall.